Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Boat Step Pad is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for any boater, providing crucial safety and comfort whether you're boarding, disembarking, or simply moving around your vessel, ensuring a secure footing and protecting your boat's surfaces from wear and tear, making every journey smoother and safer for everyone on board. Number 5. Attwood 6260-4 Marine Non-Skid Traction Pads. These pads feature a rugged 100-grade coarse grit surface. This premium design ensures maximum slip resistance and traction in all weather conditions. They come with a proven heavy-duty, marine-tested adhesive. This backing forms a permanent bond, ensuring long-lasting performance without peeling or lifting. These provide critical, dependable traction on highly slippery surfaces. They are perfect for boat gunnels, trailers, docks, steps, and ramps, enhancing safety wherever you need it. Installation is incredibly simple and hassle-free. Just peel off the protective backing and press them firmly onto any clean, dry surface for instant grip. Each pad is precision die-cut to a convenient 6 by 12 inch size. This offers a professional, low-profile safety look right out of the box, with no trimming required. What we like. These pads offer maximum slip resistance with a heavy-duty adhesive backing. They are incredibly simple to install for instant grip. If you need a permanent, rugged non-skid solution for various surfaces, these are an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to fulfill the request. Number 4. Step Mat, Waterproof Boat Seat Protector. This mat prevents rips, tears, and discoloration on your boat's upholstery. It keeps your seats clean and looking like new, even with constant use. It eliminates damaging stress on fabric and seams. By distributing weight across a large area, it protects your boat seats from wear. With different colors on each side, it easily matches any boat's interior. You can conveniently stow it away in your boat's storage compartments after use. Seat cushion repair is costly and time-consuming. Protecting your seats with this mat helps maintain your boat's value for resale or trade. Made from a marine-grade blend of foam and rubber, it is completely waterproof. This mat also floats on water and features a quick-drying, slip-resistant surface. What we like. This mat prevents rips and discoloration by distributing weight across your boat seats. It's also waterproof and floats for added convenience. If you want to protect your valuable marine upholstery from wear and tear, this is a smart investment. What people say. Number 3. Tidal Wake Seat Step Non-Slip Marine Mat Gray Black. This mat is designed to shield your boat's upholstery from common damage. It prevents rips, grime, and wear, keeping your seats looking new. Its anti-flex core evenly distributes weight, protecting your vinyl from stretching and tears. This smart investment saves your boat seats from unsightly damage. You can easily move it between seats or even different boats. Use it as a helm mat or a welcome mat, blending seamlessly with your marine decor. Stepping on soft cushions causes stress, leading to costly repairs. This offers an affordable way to protect your investment and welcome guests in style. When not in use, it stays weighted on the floor as a helm mat. If it accidentally goes overboard, don't worry, as this non-slip mat is designed to float. What we like. With an engineered anti-flex core, this mat effectively spreads weight to protect your vinyl upholstery. It's highly portable and versatile, usable as a helm mat too. If you're looking for flexible, targeted seat protection that you can move anywhere, this mat is ideal. What people say. Number 2. NovelBee Universal DIY Traction Non-Slip Grip Mat Pad. Introducing the NovelBee Universal DIY Traction Mat. This versatile pad is designed to provide superior non-slip grip for various watercraft and boards. Measuring 40 by 20 by 0.22 inches, it offers ample coverage for your needs. You can easily trim and cut it to achieve the perfect size or shape for your boat deck, kayak, or surfboard. Crafted from high-quality EVA foam, this pad ensures lasting durability. It features a convenient self-adhesive backing for quick and hassle-free installation. Its unique diamond-grooved EVA pattern actively drains away excess water. This innovative design provides exceptional traction, keeping you secure on any wet surface. Available in sleek black or vibrant blue, it complements your gear while enhancing safety. Experience improved stability and confidence on your water adventures. What we like. This large EVA foam sheet allows you to easily trim and cut it to any size or shape you need. Its diamond-grooved pattern provides excellent traction. If you have unique areas requiring custom non-slip coverage, this DIY pad offers ultimate flexibility. What people say. Number 1. MEGAWARE KEELGUARD FlexStep Pro Boat Trailer Step. Say goodbye to unstable milk crates when boarding your boat. This innovative step provides a secure and stable platform, making access effortless and safe. It eliminates the need for makeshift solutions, enhancing your boating experience. With a spring-loaded pull handle and locking pin system, it adjusts to 16 different positions. This allows you to set it at any angle and mount it almost anywhere on your trailer. You can position it in the most convenient and safest location for accessing windows, storage, and other hard-to-reach areas. Crafted from lightweight, high-tensile 6063 T6 anodized aluminum, it is built to last. This adjustable step safely holds up to 300 pounds, ensuring a reliable and sturdy platform. It makes boating more convenient and secure than ever before. Mounting it to most boat trailer frames takes just minutes using only 4 bolts. All you need to do is align it with your trailer frame or tongue, and attach it with the provided hardware. This simple process gets you ready to go in no time. For safe storage during travel, it can be easily disconnected with a single pin. This quick detach feature also simplifies moving and loading your boat on and off the trailer. It's a practical addition to your boating accessories, offering both convenience and security. What we like. This trailer step boasts 16 adjustable positions, providing convenient access to your boat. Made from lightweight aluminum, it safely holds up to 300 pounds and detaches quickly for storage. If you need a robust, highly adjustable, and safe way to access your boat on the trailer, this is the perfect solution. What people say. No relevant positive review details available from source. No relevant positive review details available from source. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.